First two cases are Salvador Loza, cause numbers 25CCCR 1574 and cause number 25CCCR 1575. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Salvador Loza Jr. Mr. Loza, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Loza, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Loza, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Loza, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Loza?
Doing all right.
You doing all right? Well, that's good. Now, Mr. Loza, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Don Dusler. Mr. Dusler, how are you doing?
Very well, Your Honor.
That's good. And Mr. Dusler, do you waive a record in Mr. Loza's case?
Yes, sir, we did.
And again, Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well. Thank you, Your Honor.
You are. Wait for this here document to come up. Let's take it over. Okay, Mr. Loza, in cause number 25CCCR 1574, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, Mr. Loza, it alleges that you, Salvador Loza Jr., on or about June 12th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury to a family member. Mr. Loza, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes.
To this charge, Mr. Loza, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Mr. Loza, I also have before me on my computer a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of this same document, there's two sets of initials. One set is your attorney's, the other set SL, or your initials. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand this statement?
Yes.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? You have the discovery certification.
I do.
I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Mr. Loza, do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
Mr. Loza, before you sign and initial all of the documents that I just showed you, did your attorney, Mr. Dusler, go over these documents with you?
Yes, he did.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
And Mr. Loza, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
State, would you like to offer state's exhibit number one?
So tendered, Your Honor.
Mr. Dusler, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objection, state's exhibit number one will be admitted. Mr. Dusler, you advised and counseled, Mr. Loza. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
There's no evidence for that, Your Honor.
And Mr. Loza, your attorney, Mr. Dusler, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, I am.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Mr. Loza, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The essential terms are as follows, Your Honor. There would be 18 months deferred adjudication, a $300 fine, Judge, 30 hours community service, and an anger management component, along with no contact with Ms. Maria Perez, Judge. And that matter is to run concurrent with 25 CCCR 1575. Is that correct, Mr. Duke?
That is correct.
What? Right.
Contact is not. Because
I thought it was,
Oh, it is. It says no contact with victim. It says no contact with victim. Yeah, right here.
Now, who is the victim?
Yeah, the victim's name. Yeah, you gotta put that on there. The victim, her name, Maria Perez. What's the court cost?
2 seconds.
Okay. Mr. Loza, the state is offering that you serve 18 months deferred adjudicated probation. During the 18-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $300 plus court costs of $277. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, a year analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15, and you will be required to pay $100 to a family violence center in Jefferson County. You'll also be required. Now, your total monthly installments for this case is $120 a month. Will you be able to pay the $120 each month?
Yes.
You will also be required to perform 30 hours of community service. You have to attend and complete an anger management class. You cannot have any contact with the victim in this case, Maria Perez. This case will run concurrent with cause number 25 CCCR 1575. Mr. Loza, do you understand the state's offer?
Yeah.
Do you think that the state's offer in this case is fair and just?
Yeah.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yeah.
Mr. Loza, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Loza, we will move to your next case. And that case is cause number 25 CCCR 1575. And in this case, Mr. Loza, I have before me an information that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. And in this information, Mr. Loza, it alleges that you, Salvador Loza Jr., on or about June 12th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of unlawful restraint. Mr. Loza, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yeah.
And to this charge, Mr. Loza, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No comment.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Really.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yeah.
Mr. Loza, I also have before me a document on my tablet that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yeah.
On page 2 of this same document, there are two sets of initials. One set of initials is SL, which are your initials. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes.
On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yeah.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yeah.
At the top of this document, there are two boxes checked. The first box says check, states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yeah.
Second box says check, states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yeah.
They have two numbers on that discovery certification.
Yes.
Okay, now, previously, you acknowledged that this was your signature on the discovery certification. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Now, before you signed and initialed all of these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
So tendered, Your Honor.
Any objections, Mr. Deuce?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Loza, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that
The
agreement?
essential terms are as follows: 18 months deferred adjudication. There will be no fine, Judge. There will be no additional community service because it is running with 25 CCCR 1574, Judge.
Okay.
Correct, Mr. Duthie?
That's correct, Your Honor. And the same terms and conditions apply on this case as on the previous case.
Thank you.
Let's see, so let's see. What's the court cost?
270.
277. On this, that's on this. No, no, it's not on this one. Okay. Mr. Loza, state is offering that you serve 18 months deferred adjudicated probation during the 18-month probationary period. You will not be required to pay a fine. The fine will be waived in this case. You will be required to pay court costs of $277. You will not be required to pay a probation fee because you paid the probation fee in the previous case, and you will not be required to pay the urinalysis fee because you paid the urinalysis fee in the previous case. However, you will be required to pay a reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you'll be required to pay in this case each month, is $17 a month. Will you be able to pay the $17 each month?
Yeah.
You will also, well, this case will run concurrent with cause number 25 CCCR 1574, and you will not be required to perform any community service in this case because you performed the 30 hours of community service in the previous case. And now, Mr. Loza, do you understand the state's offer?
Yeah.
Do you think that the state's offer in this case is fair and just?
Yeah.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Loza, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have made in this case. Now, Mr. Loza, if you successfully complete the probationary period in these cases will be dismissed, would not result in a conviction on your record, and you may qualify for non-disclosure, whereby your record will be sealed to the general public, and you can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite confident in those matters. Okay, now, Mr. Loza, pursuant to Article 176.1 of the Texas Administrative Code, I need to go over a document that is titled Model Written Admonition on Ineligibility to Possess a Firearm Ammunition. Mr. Loza, do you see that document?
Yeah.
Now, that document states that in accordance with the Texas Administrative Code, Section 176.1, the court hereby admonishes you of the following. Number one, you are by entry of order of judgment ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm ammunition. Number two, beginning now, if you possess a firearm ammunition, it could lead to charges against you. If you have questions about how long you will be ineligible to possess a firearm ammunition, you should consult an attorney. Number three, under Texas Penal Code Section 46.013A, firearms mean any device designed, made, or adapted to expel a projectile through a barrel by using the energy generated by an explosion or burning substance, or any device readily convertible to that use. B, firearm does not include a firearm that may have as an integral part a folding knife blade or other characteristics of weapons made illegal by Penal Code Chapter 46, and that is one, an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, or two, a replica of an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, but only if the replica does not use rimfire or centerfire ammunition. For more information about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm ammunition, or for more information on how long your ineligibility to possess a firearm ammunition lasts, the court recommends you contact an attorney. For your reference, you may wish to consult the statutes listed below, which may or may not apply to your circumstances. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.292, Magistrate's Orders for Emergency Protection. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 27.14E1, plea of guilty or no contendere in a misdemeanor case. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 42.0131, notice for persons convicted of misdemeanors involving family violence. Penal Code Section 46.02, unlawful carrying weapons. Penal Code Section 46.04, unlawful possession of firearm. Penal Code Section 25.07, violation of certain court orders or conditions of bond and a family violence. child abuse or neglect, sexual assault or abuse, indecent assault, stalking, or trafficking case. Family Code Section 85.026 warning on protective order. Now, Mr. Loza, the written admonition that you have in your possession is for you. Please stand at the end of that table. Oh, just please have a seat and wait for your name to be called. You're going to go to the end of the table and follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Dusler,
Thank you, sir.
you're free to go as well and you have a blessed day. Right. Okay, now, Ms. Riley, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1962. Previously, you were represented in your case by attorney Nathan Reynolds Jr. And Mr. Reynolds had a conflict of interest in this case. And so therefore, you will be reappointed another attorney. And that attorney is attorney Don Boudreaux. Attorney Boudreaux will be given information to contact you. You will also be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once she gives you that information, you will be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Please stand in front of the coordinator. You're welcome.
Okay, spread it out.
Darian Broussard. That's Mr. Matuska. Is Mr. Broussard here?
Your Honor, I caught out in the hallway. I haven't seen him.
Ms. Mosby?
That's the one, the felony or something.
Oh, he has a felony case set. Okay, we'll call him later.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Andrew Lakey. Okay, the court is in session and cause numbers M332-598, cause number M332-600, cause number 24-CCCR 0003, cause number 24-CCCR 0004, and cause number 24-CCCR 0460. All 5 cases are styled in the state of Texas versus Andrew Lee Lakey. Mr. Lakey, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Lakey? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Lakey, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Ryan Matuska. And Mr. Matuska, how are you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
Good morning. Now, Mr. Matuska, what are your announcements in Mr. Lakey's cases?
Your Honor, if we could keep the misdemeanor running with the felony case. He's got some work still to do on those, and I believe the interaction that occurs of both of them.
Okay, so it's grown out same criminal episode.
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Matuska, do we have a court date for his felony cases? December 8th?
Sure.
So we'll reset it to this, we'll reset these cases to December 8th. Now, on that day, Mr. Lakey, you'll do like you did today. You'll come to court, check in with the bailiff, go to the felony court. And once you finish your felony court, come back here. Okay?
Yeah.
There you are. Now, Mr. Lakey, your case is going to be reset to December 8th. You're going to get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. All right. Happy holidays.
Take care.
All right. And what are we doing? We still have Broussard.
Yeah. December.
I need to verify the word. Right, Judge.
Ellen? Okay, just stay in contact with them, but I'll set it with.
Yes. Now, what are we gonna do on Broussard? You gonna go check on Darian Broussard, see if he's in felony court?
Which court is he in?
Do we know what court he's in?
I'm a judge.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, she heard you. Ms. Mosby, the paperwork is ready.
Mr. Lawson?
Did I get the paperwork on? I have to do some paper. I need to get the judge's explanation for the one we reappointed.
You want to credit?
Yeah, because it has to be in the file.
Or you want to do a new one?
We'll have to do another one because, yeah, we have to put the new attorney's name on there.
This form, right? You need a judge. What you need, judge?
The
The ex-
judge's explanation. Hmm?
You know,
How, if they get paid,
oh, that's true. Okay.
I actually,
And the rest of
you know, what, only thing they do is they just get the appointment attached to the pay claim, right? So we don't have to do that then. He was, no, we just, it was a conflict. Yeah. So it was like a, order to rescind. The appointment, yeah,
That's right.
They just released him on me, go. Charlie didn't show up today. I wish I did.
so they have to give,
Sure.
Jessica Wright,
316-684-81. Probably the first year, person. You're not supposed to be back. No, behind it.
okay, Miss Wright, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Miss Wright, you may put your hand down. Again, Miss Wright, how are you doing? You doing good? Now, Miss Wright, I have before me two documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
Or are these your initials on the line that state you'd like to apply for a court-appointed attorney? I have another document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document? You have to speak up.
Yes.
And on page 2 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature? Now, Ms. Wright, before you signed and initialed these documents, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Wright, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. And the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney Tom Burbank. Attorney Burbank will be given information to contact you. And you will also be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once she gives you that information, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Now, Ms. Wright, I mean, not Ms. Wright, but Ms. Ms. Wright. You also stated that you have a felony case, is that correct? And do you have a court date on that felony case?
January 12th.
January the what?
12th.
Well, I guess we can put it on the same date, January 12th. Okay, this case is gonna be reset to January 12th along with your felony case. Once you get your case reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Just have a seat, Ms. Wright, in that second chair by the wall. Huh? That was Don Boudreaux.
I'm just wrong. I mean, wrong.
Okay.
Wrong.
Yeah, Aaron Riley. Yeah. Yeah, it was Don. Or to be in recess? Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2052, case is style of the state of Texas versus Robert Wayne Broussard. Mr. Broussard, would you please come forward? You can put your hat on the table.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you doing, Mr. Broussard?
Good, sir.
That's good. Mr. Broussard, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Bruce Smith. Mr. Smith, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
That's good. Now, Mr. Smith, what is your announcement in Mr. Broussard's case?
Your Honor, we're requesting a resetting because we're requesting pretrial diversion.
Okay. Let's see, the next one will probably be in February. Yeah, so we're gonna reset it, second week in February, because they happened one Thursday, I think.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, so you gotta apply, so the next one will be in February. Okay,
16th, February 16th.
okay, this case will be reset to February 16th, 2026. Mr. Broussard, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And then you have a blessed day. Happy holidays. Next case is Donald Eaglin. This is cause number 24 CCCR 2211. Case is style of state of Texas versus Donald R. Eaglin. Mr. Eaglin, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Eaglin?
I'm sir.
That's good. Now, Mr. Eaglin, you're represented by Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith, what's your announcement in Mr. Eaglin's case?
Yeah, I talked to the prosecution. We're still waiting on the flood records.
Okay, okay.
You want to put them on the same. The 16th, on January 28th or.
Mr. Smith, she said you could put them all on the same day, or you want
That'd
to?
be fine.
Okay, so it's gonna be on the 16th?
16th.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Eaglin, your case will be reset to February 16th, 26. Once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go on your best date. You can get it in line behind Mr. Broussard. Jamarian Randall Jones, cause number 23 CCCR 0966. Mr. Jones, your full name is Jamarian Randall Jones.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Jones? That's good, Mr. Jones. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Bruce Smith. And Mr. Smith, what is your announcement in Mr. Jones' case?
Your Honor, I asked this to be placed on trial docket.
Okay.
Talk to the prosecution.
Give us a reset date for trial.
Jones,
Yes, Jamarian Randall Jones.
February 16th. Right?
That's a trial week. Okay. She'll give you your court date. Just have a seat and wait for your name to be called. Yeah, that's the system is slow. Juan Cifuente. Mr. Cifuente, your full name is Juan F. Cifuente.
Yes.
How are you doing?
Okay.
That's good. Now, Mr. Cifuente, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Bruce Smith. Mr. Smith, what's your announcement in Mr. Cifuente's case?
You know, it has to be placed on trial docket.
Try that. Okay, we're gonna set it. Okay, just have a seat and she's gonna give you a trial date. All right. We have one more. Joseph Morris Zachary Jr. Mr. Zachary, your full name is Joseph Morris Zachary Jr. How are you doing, Mr. Zachary? That's good. Mr. Zachary, you represented your case by your attorney, Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith, what's your announcement in Mr. Zachary's case?
And we're waiting on the blood discovery on that.
Blood discovery. Okay. Yes. Okay, Mr. Zachary, your case will be reset till February 16th, 2026. You'll get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Just have a seat. And Mr. Smith, that's your last case?
Yes,
You're free to go and you have a blessed day as well? Yes. What did you say?
Because of the clients too, Jones, the problem is.
Yes, it was Jones and Cifuente. Not Zachary. Zachary waiting on a blood discovery. And Eaglin is blood discovery as well. Go to be a recess.